go, Fat! Driver changes, so that should be good.
It wouldn't get up the hill with me on it. It was too big.
Well, maybe now, but it was really muddy last time.
Yeah, before you peel away, take a look over your shoulder so you don't get run over.
Come on, Fat Vet. What did he say?
I don't know.
Hey, keep it clean. This is going on YouTube. Yeah, so we are well into the endurance race here. What are we doing? 45 minutes, I think? We have some driver changes and lots of laps. Hopefully lots of laps. Okay, things are still going strong. Catpuss has like disappeared. I haven't seen him in a while, and oh, Fat Vet, he's having so much trouble getting up this hill. Hey, that Stars comes over that hill. He always like pops a wheelie. Trainwreck's like, what jump? There's a jump there? Just crush it. Tires rubbing. Ooh, hit the jump. Yeah. You guys are staying in a pretty tight group here. Stars, Ambulance, and Fat Vet. Well, Fat Vet wasn't in the group, but he's still trucking along. Yeah. Me too, that was funny. There's Catbus. Hey, Catbus! Woo! I'm guessing that was Catbus. What happened to the body? Hey. So the driver changes happened. Bill's now driving Fat Bet. Come on, Bill, go, go, go. All new drivers, all new experiences, man. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Oh, ambulance has crashed.
Gotta go.
Oh, we got one ambulance back on the road. He just went off. It just high centered. It was just stuck. Look at this. Oh! Guys, car's off. Woo. I thought they were going to go over the edge. Oh, batteries must be getting low. Everyone's going slow. Catwood's got the body back on. There you go. Perfect. Comes Caveman. Engage in thrusters, I guess. Whoa, don't get too close to the edge. Oh no, Bill's not going anywhere. Alright, I'm gonna just stop. I might have to push him next time. Oh. I'm gonna get down there and help him push. Batteries are getting low on my phone, and also getting low on some of the cars. So I might not be able to get much more of this endurance race as we race for another 45 minutes, or crash for the next 45 minutes. Oh, look at Cat Butts. The face is just hanging off the side. The car's taking a beating this weekend. They had like 4 or 5 rollovers. Oh, the batteries are going dead in Fat Bet. Engage your warp speed. Rambleless is doing better with staying on the track. Trainwreck is just a tank. Extension cord, yeah.
Yeah, so we have the, so here.